Class 9th students, it is the next video from the chapter cell. The topic is nucleus. It is one basic component of cell which is the dense spherical or oval structure. Such a structure was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Each cells have nucleus, but in some of the prokaryotic cells there is absence of nucleus. Now where it lies? In animal cells, it lies in center. In plant cell, its position is at one side of vacuole because plant cell has large size vacuole. Size of this nucleus, that is variable, which is from 5 to 25 mu micron. As you know that 1 mu micron is 10 to the power minus 6 millimeter. That is very negligible size. Number is also variable from 1 to many. Muscle cells have more number of nucleus. In some of the bacteria and in blue-green algae, a true nucleus is absent. It is also absent in RBC of mammals. Now we will read the structure of this nucleus. A nucleus has main three parts, which are the nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. At first, about the nuclear membrane. Nucleus is covered by double membrane structure that has many pores. The functions of this nuclear membrane, this act as envelope or cover of the nucleus, involved in providing protection to internal contents, and it has pores, that is why that also allow the materials to move in or out of the nucleus. It is by its pore. Second is nucleoplasm, that is a jelly-like colorless substance inside nucleus. Various organic and inorganic materials are dissolved in it for various metabolic activities. There are also the presence of chromosomes, which are the thread-like structures which possess genes. So these substances and structures are in nucleoplasm. Third part is nucleolus. It is very dense spherical structure. The number is variable, that is from 1 to 1000. It is visible, distinct structure that contains DNA and releases RNA. These are the two nucleic acids. So this nucleolus is involved in synthesizing protein because RNA synthesize protein which help in cell division, and DNA is the constituting unit of genes. So these are the various parts of nucleus. Thanks.